SB19! This is fruit punch! Fruit punch! No, it ain't. Girl Haley! Girl Haley! Girly Haley! Girly, please.
Yung ka-work daw niya from Survivor. Ka-work niya ngayon. OFW na ngayon. Survivor naman.
Hey, oh, girly, girly. Don't try to...
That's BTS. Thank you. This is a different country this year. Madami. Japan. I went to Japan. This was everywhere to
Girly, that's not...
Saudi ka pa. Puro pa. Nasa Cebu. Sa lefty, Megan. Has a family member in
Hello, one Goku.
Yeah, Tita Robinsoners. Has UAE driving license but issued from other Emirates. Saan? Abu Dhabi. Okay, Abu Dhabi. Ay, din kayo. Abu Dhabi din kayo, right? Sabi sa mga
Don't scream.
Ashman, ikaw Hussein, Ashman na ako. Ang tawag ko sa kayo.
Very good.
Has 3 more pets. Tita Kels. No. Oh, couple who got
Oh my god, it's my idol! I found my idol! It's you! It's my idol. So beautiful.
Gosh, okay. We have a couple in the look at married 3 times. Grabe. Oo.
Stop, stop, stop!
What is it?
Sorry.
Nepal, Philippines, and Abu Dhabi. 3 times got married.
Oh my god, girl. Hi! Hi, bro. Hi, bro.
All sa business.
Cute.
Yung mga business owners dito. Tita Diana, Tita
Oh my
Kat.
god. No, no. No.
Kayo, Tita Joanna. Tita Joanna is our
No,
freelance
no, no, no.
photographer, ha? So both,
I cannot.
both couples, photographers sila. Matayo ng page niyo.
It's the profesh. Can I do something? Why is this dinosaur? Wait, guys, please stop. Why is this dinosaur like a baby shark?
Wow. He's, what's his name? Johnny Food. May underscore? There's underscore? Johnny
Oh my god.
Pa-flash na lang muna. There's a picture of Santa Lucia. Kita Kelly serves at the kids ministry, right? Kita Kels? And Tita Edward here is a lay minister po. Fancy. Has the most letters in their last name.
Wow.
Tita Long. You have wrong. You have wrong. Yeah.
Oh, it's my other idol.
Okay, so it's nice to know, no? To get to know
I'm studying Japanese. Cheers.
Celebrity, what did you look for?
Oh, hell no.
Wow! I love it! Talagang nagtanong sila. Yung ganda ni Mia has a tattoo. Like BTS has Edward has climbed a mountain. What mountain po did you climb? Oh! In
There she
Jordan.
is. Just like me.
I will check the resume. I'm just checking the mga new information here. How you're happy as your full-time job?
Ate.
You're wrong.
I told her that.
Wrong.
Hello.
Hi. Hindi pa yan
Kasi
yan.
mamay ko hindi
Well, after job, as your full-time job. Bakit? Nag-design. Design.
Wow.
Okay.
Be beautiful. Be beautiful.
That's what
That's
I'm
the end for
saying.
today's vid. I'll see you next time.
Food content for
Very soon.
interview.
Really soon.